So once we have that, then we can go ahead and add those files to the repository. And so we stage all the files for commit. If you're not familiar with how to operate Git, again, I have videos and other material to help you out on that. As long as we don't do collaborations and large assets, the basic Git workflow is relatively straightforward. So right now we've staged all the files for commit. We'll do a appropriate commit message. Remember that commit messages have a standard format, so we stay in the imperative mood here, and I'm going to say create roll ball game or project or whatever you want there, and that's that. Single line is fine in this case. No punctuation at the end, no period or anything, and that's it. And then we can do commit here, and that commits our repository locally. So now we see here we have our master branch. And by the way, if you initialize it, create new repositories on GitHub, they have actually changed the name from master to main. Again, the name really has no big of a significance. If you want to change that name right now to main, it's perfectly fine. Let's stick with the defaults right now because not every tool has made the transition over to main branches yet. So for the time being, let's stick to that.